Hello guys, welcome back on my channel. Today I will show you how to add text into letter frames in Canva. I learned this technique from my great canvassador friend, Reno Nadiandy. You can find the links for his YouTube channels and Facebook groups in the description. But before we dive into the tutorial, I have a quick favor to ask. If you like my content and find it valuable, please take a moment and hit the small like button and subscribe to my channel. It really helps to keep getting content for you. Thanks, and now let's get started. So the first thing what I need is need a YouTube thumbnail canvas size. And now I go into the text and just add a little bit of body text and start to type Canva space Canva. And now I just have to select both and just need to find some nice fonts. Like I use this Akio using a bold and just change the font size to, oops, where is the text? Here is the text. I just would have to change the font size to like 50. Maybe is it too big? I don't know. Just checking. Maybe the 50 is too much. Try with 40 and alignment to left. And now just select copying both text. If I can hit, so Ctrl C and Ctrl V, just moving the text box until the end of the Canva. Oops, is it not good? Okay, I have to play a bit because I don't want to end with Canva without to see that lowercase Canva like this. Okay, so in this case 37 is the good font size. Now just copy. Oops, something is wrong. Like here, Canva, and one more, and now going to the advanced settings and line spacing a bit compressing, and now I just need to add some additional lines. Yeah, this is good, I think. Good enough. So I just need to go to share, download, increase the size to the maximum, and saving with transparent background. And meanwhile, going to the elements and scrolling down to the frames, even scrolling down in the frames to the letters, and I need the letter A, C, N, and V. So I need selecting them, just decrease the size a bit first, duplicate the letter A, and now selecting all, position, tied up a bit, and now this letter V just moving a bit closer because I don't know. Yes, and an A bit like this, and now group it, increase the size, go into the position, middle center, And the reason why I group it and now it's ungroup it, because if I just select all, I will show you, and select all and center, the Canva moving to the center all the letters. And I don't want it. I would like to add into the center the text, so I just group it, then move into the center and ungroup it. In this case, the text is already in the center, the whole text, not all the letters. And now I just need the image what I created, and I need 3, 4, 5 times, because this is what I need. So I just dropping to here, here, and here. And this looks really cool. If you would like to change the color, you don't need to do anything else. Then click on one of the letter, edit, go into the duotone, choose any of the presets, or I just normally do this custom, go into the shadow and change the shadow to any, as you can see, any color what you need. Now I keep it in the black, so I don't need anything else. And now I just would like to change the color of the background, because I don't like this white. I need, as you can see, it's too dark. If it's dark, we can change it to, even if it looks good here, we can go to the edit, shadow, so the duotone, changing the shadow to white. And now go into the copy style, click on the letter A. I don't know why is it not working. Now it's working, okay. Copy the style and click on the element what we would like to change. And now selecting all the letters, going to the stroke styles and give it a small border like this. And also I can change the color if I want, like here to red. It's too big, I think. We also can change to whatever we want. This is also a nice idea to change the size, but now I keep it like this. This is also important. We can play a bit with the we need the same size. This is also an important thing. You have to remember what is the size we used. That's easy to do, like tapping with yourself with these border lines. Now doing the same with the letter A, letter N, same with all the other letters with these reference lines. It's really helpful. Oops, that was not helpful if I move it. So now it's going back to here. And yeah. And also we can move the text whatever we want. So let's do like this to start with a letter C with Canva. Same as here. Also important here. And for the A also, that's good. And this is how we can add text into any letter frame. It looks pretty cool. We can play around with this technique even if we are just downloading. Can I do it? Select all, download selection with transparent background. I don't need anymore the guidelines. I just adding the text what I used. But now this is an image, so I can do whatever I want. Like I can add shadows, drop shadow, increasing the size. So it's a pretty cool idea to do it like this. Even with the letters, like even with the shadow, sorry. So it's pretty nice, pretty unique and useful stuff. But now this tutorial is going to the end. Hope so you like it. If you really like it, please do not forget to hit the small like button, subscribe to my channel, leave comment in the comment section if you're struggling anything in the Canva. I try to answer as soon as possible. Please also visit my Facebook page where you can find lots of another great Canva tutorials, not only from me, also from another great canvassadors. Plus, you can find a bunch of text-to-image prompts for different kind of AI applications. So if you're also interested in this area, please feel free to check my Facebook page also. You can find the link in the description. And in the description, you can find also the link for my TikTok and Instagram channels, where you can find short tutorials about Canva. So please visit also my Instagram and TikTok pages. As I mentioned already, you can find links in the description. But now this tutorial really going to end. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Ciao.